Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Hirekatsu. Hirekatsu is pork tenderloin tonkatsu. Compared to regular tonkatsu, which is called roast katsu using pork loin, Hirekatsu is leaner and softer. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Hirekatsu, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings and some extra. Pork tenderloin, it's about 600 grams. 3 cups of panko breadcrumb, about 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and some salt and pepper. Let's slice the tenderloin into 3 centimeters, little over 1 inch. Put them face down. Using back side of the knife or meat mallet if you have, beat them on both sides. Some salt and pepper on both sides. I'm going to bread them now, so let's make some batter. So here I have about 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Let's put 1 cup of water. Mix it well. It's a little looser than pancake dough. Pork in the batter. Then panko breadcrumb. Press it so the panko stays well. Okay, I'll bread it. If you have some leftover panko, don't throw it away. Just keep it in freezer back and freeze, then you can use it next time. I'm heating up some vegetable oil, canola oil to be specific, over medium to medium-high heat. Let's check the temperature by dropping a little bit of butter into the oil. So drop some butter. If it hits the bottom and comes up immediately, just like it did, it's the right temperature. Let's put the breaded pork gently into the oil. And fry them for about 3 minutes on each side. Nice color. Let's cook the other side. Golden brown on both sides, but I take them out. All fried, so let's cut and serve. When you cut tonkatsu, chop like I did, don't slice, otherwise all the panko will fall apart. Some shredded cabbage as a pillow, and hirekatsu, cherry tomato to add some color, and hirekatsu is ready to go. Time for the tasting. I'm using this tonkatsu sauce off the shelf, but you can use any sauce you like. Let's put some sauce and いただきます。 crispy, almost crunchy, and the pork inside is so juicy and tender. The tenderloin doesn't get stiff even when it's cold, so it's great for lunchbox too. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Hirekatsu is the main, so it goes here. The shredded cabbage I served with replaces one of the side dishes, so nothing here. Some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade, for the other one. Plain rice here and tofu, miso soup, or any soup you like here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!